Okay, boys and girls, this is Quentin coming at you with another Cycle for Life video. I am exhausted. It's Tuesday night after the motocross race video I'm about to edit and show you. And it took 2 days for all the soreness to cook out of my muscles. I am so tired and so sore. But I had a lot of fun. I haven't done a Mid-Atlantic Motocross Association race. They call it MAMA, the MAMA Motocross Club. I haven't done a MAMA race since 1991. And they used to have an alumni class if you were over 18. And I raced in MAMA as a teenager from 89 to 90. And then when I turned over 18, I was in the alumni class as a 19-year-old before I went road racing. So the last MAMA race I did was just about almost 30 years ago. I'm so old now. But yeah, I just did this one up at Pagoda in Birdsboro, Pennsylvania, right outside of Reading. And man, it was fun. All new faces, all new group of people, but the same old MAMA family feel. I really enjoyed it. Motocross people of any age, if you can get to a MAMA race, I suggest you do it. It was a great time. But yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so sore. My muscles are healing. I'm going to sit down and edit some of this footage and get another video up for you guys. All right? Yeah, 422 East headed towards Reading and Allentown area. 422. I wonder if that's the same 422 that goes all the way across Pennsylvania and up into Ohio. One of the road race tracks I spent a lot of decades at, very near and dear to my heart, Nelson Ledges Road Race Track, is off of 422. Racing there, selling tires there, did a lot of business there. Broke the track record with Larry Denning on the same day there one time, back 20 years ago. A track that I just love dearly. So yeah, it's interesting to be racing back on Route 422 again, albeit in another state. boys is riding. Man, this is great, guys. I just this is awesome. I just talked to the guy at the gate, and he told me what time they start and where to get on the track, which I think looks like this right here. This is where you get on. Yep, there's the gate, of course. Okay. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot more people at this race than there were at some of the dirt bike races I did down south. This is awesome. So, oh, there's the track. Look at that. Nice, nice. Cool. I'm gonna go ask somebody if they'll let me walk it. They probably won't. I don't know. They might. But look at all these layers of motorhomes and layers of trailers. One thing that discourages me is everybody thinks they have to have a motorhome, and that's just driving up the cost of the sport. It's not like the old days when we all used to show up in old Dans like this one I'm driving now. But that's okay. They're here. They're running. So I'm excited. All right, let's watch it. Let's watch it. So I'm out there riding my brains out, and you two are in here playing.
Yes.
Goodness gracious.
I'm looking at trailers.
I'm watching my son race.
You want a water?
I have some plenty. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Oh, the heat didn't bother me as much as I thought, but
No, you got a good breeze going when you're on the bike.
yeah, the heat's not the problem, but just 4 motos in one day, period, is the problem.
When you stop is the problem.
Yeah, 4 motos is too much for me, but I'm doing it anyway.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why.
I'm picking you for the whole shot, dude. I don't know. Just don't take me for the win. Have a good one. Good luck, brother. When I was young, it's not popular.
I didn't go fast at the end. I couldn't. It's 96 degrees and I'm 30 pounds overweight, and I just could not go hard for 4 motos. I couldn't go fast, people, I'm sorry. But I finished all my motos. I got a heck of a workout. God bless y'all. Thank you for coming. I think because the other guy fell and broke his bike, didn't show up or whatever, I got on the podium. I got a 3rd out of 4, so whatever. But I hope he's okay. God be with him. And God loves you guys. Wear your helmets. Always wear your helmets. And we'll see you again next time. Fun. This is so much fun. What are you doing? Get off the couch. Come on.